Exercise set 3.4, Constructing Arguments by Analogy, from a Workbook for Arguments by Morrow and Weston. When arguing by analogy, start by figuring out exactly what you want your conclusion to be. Your conclusion should have the form X is or was F. For instance, the conclusion of Adam Nordwell's argument discussed above is that Christopher Columbus was unjustified in claiming land for his own people. In that case, X stands for Christopher Columbus, and F stands for unjustified in claiming land for his own people. So again, when you're arguing by analogy, your conclusion should have the form X is F. Okay? So Christopher Columbus is unjustified in claiming land for his own people. The next step in constructing your argument is to find something to compare to X. This thing, we'll call it Y, should also be F, right? So if we go back to what F was in the example, in this case, the thing we're looking to compare should also be unjustified in claiming land for his own people, right? Thus, the first premise of your argument should have the form Y is or was F. For instance, the first premise of Nordwell's argument is that he, Adam Nordwell, is unjustified in claiming land for his own people. In that case, Y stands for Adam Nordwell, and F again stands for unjustified in claiming land for his own people. To make your argument work, you need to be sure that the first premise is fairly uncontroversial. Everyone should agree that Y is F, just as everyone would agree that Nordwell didn't really have the right to claim Italy for the Chippewa. The key step is to argue that X is relevantly like Y. The similarity that Nordwell uses is that he and Columbus were both claiming lands that were already inhabited. This is relevant to the claim that Columbus was unjustified in claiming lands for his own people because, other things being equal, claiming lands that are already inhabited accounts to stealing the land from its current inhabitants. Be sure to consider the relevant differences between X and Y. If the differences outweigh the similarities, you'll either need to find something else to compare X to, or you'll need to give up your conclusion that X is F.